Hello everyone. Today I want to disclose the real face of cookies. I will show you how cookies tell lies, how they are performing illegal activities, and many offensive actions. They perform many terrorist activities and they blame tomatoes. I will talk with proof. First of all, let's start from the statement given by Paujakhup Goite, president of Cookie Students Organization Delhi and NCR, in a program conducted by Republic Bureau. Please listen to his opinion first.
Pao Jacob.
Yes, sir. About firing the rocket, yeah, no doubt. It's true that we both sides use rockets. It's not only cookie people who use rockets. I'm okay with it.
You're okay
but
with it?
For us, it is indigenous rockets.
Did I hear you say you're
Yeah,
okay with that?
Yeah, both use. Even Aramai Tangals use. Even Meitei terrorists use rockets. I don't know what type of rockets they use, but the rocket that we use, the cookie
No,
people
I didn't.
use is
One minute. Pao Jacob, just take one step back. I'm not blaming Maitais or cookies. I'm not getting into the specifics. I did not ask you a question about who's firing at whom. I asked you a question. If you're okay with these rockets being used, you're saying it's completely okay. You're okay with these rockets being used.
Yeah, it's propelled
Can I
by
ask you
something
then?
else. I don't know.
You seem to know.
Yeah,
You seem to know a lot. Where are these rockets coming from, Pao Jacob?
Yeah, I say no, it's indigenously made. I don't know the other side, the rocket used by the other side. I don't know where it comes from. See, sir, we are a man of combat community. We fought against the British even that time, 100 years back. We made our guns indigenously. Now that we have scientific knowledge, then we improvise them and we can even make even further than 5 kilometers away. No doubt, we have enough.
He said attacking with rocket, short-range missile to the innocent villagers is okay. Who made such rules? Is there any rule like this in Indian constitution? He is saying that they have their indigenous rocket missile making factory. Then why Indian forces allow them to make such weapons to attack Meitei civilians? They did the aerial attack and missile attack and he blamed to the Meitei also. Mr. Pogzako, talk with proof. Avoid the habit of talking whatever, anything without any proof. If you have the proof, then show it to everyone. Show it to the media. Everyone know your merciless aerial attack and missile attack with proof. Now, even in national media, your actions are disclosed. As a Manipuri, my request to Prime Minister and Home Minister of India is take action to those who are conducting aerial attack to the innocent civilians. This is the act of terrorism. What are the faults of the civilians? Which mistakes did we make? Why this high-power military and intelligence cannot stop such terrorist attack? You have already sent many central forces to Manipur. Even at their presence, the innocent lives are not safe. Not only one, after killing Surbala, a woman of 31 years old, killed by Kuki terrorists on September 1, Sunday, with drone bombing and firing at Toktruk. Another man called R.K. Ravi was also killed on 6 September by Kuki terrorists using surface-to-surface short-range missile attack. Many injuries was also there in both the incidents. After that, Urembam Kulendro was also killed while he was sleeping in his own home on 8 September by coward cookie looters. My question is, why don't you tell anything to stop such activities to the cookie people? If you have told cookies to stop killing innocent villagers, just after the incident of Koktruk aerial bombing attack on 1st September, other two innocent lives might have been saved. If Home Minister Amit Shah give instruction to cookies, they follow the instruction. My statement is proof by the incident of Torbung, where cookies tried to bury their dead bodies at Torbung on 3rd August 2023. After getting Home Minister's instruction to cancel the plan of burying dead bodies at Torbung, Cookie followed the order of Home Minister and they cancelled their plan at that time. If Home Minister gives instruction to stop attacking Meitei villages, Cookie will follow the instruction. Only the main problem is either Prime Minister or Home Minister never instruct Cookie to stop attacking Meitei villages. Why you don't want to stop cookies? Why you don't want to save innocent lives? India has high military power and intelligence, but why is it not used in Manipur? Is Manipur not a part of India? Manipur government also cannot take up necessary action, whether maybe because of not having unified command or not, I don't know. Then who will protect the life and properties of citizens in Manipur? Shall we die one by one? Will you be happy by seeing all these things? I have many things to say, but I am also bound with many other duties because I also have my own children and my family. I need to work hard. I need to earn money. I need to make the innocent lives live. Please don't let the innocent lives die.